Today I'm going to teach you how to use Conversation View in Outlook. This feature groups related emails together, making it much easier to follow email threads and keep your inbox organized. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open your Microsoft Outlook app. Once the app is open, log into your account and wait for all your emails to load in. This might take a moment depending on how many emails you have, so just give it a few seconds to populate your inbox completely. Once your emails have finished loading, the next step is to navigate to the View menu. You'll find this tab located on the top part of your screen, right alongside your other tools and menus. Go ahead and click on the View tab to access all the viewing options available for your inbox. Now that you're in the View menu, the process of enabling Conversation View is actually quite straightforward. Look for the section labeled Messages within this menu. This is where all the message display settings are housed. Within the Messages section, you'll see a checkbox labeled Show as Conversations. This is the key feature that will transform how your emails are displayed, grouping them by conversation thread rather than showing them as individual messages. Click on the Show as Conversations checkbox to enable it. As soon as you click it, you'll be prompted with a dialog box asking where you'd like to apply these changes. You'll have two options here. You can either apply Conversation View to just the specific folder you're currently viewing, or you can apply it across all mailboxes you have connected to Outlook. Choose whichever option suits your preference best. If you want a consistent experience across all your email accounts, selecting all mailboxes would be the way to go. Once you've made your selection, Outlook will automatically adjust your email view to Conversation View. You'll notice that related emails are now grouped together under a single thread, making it much easier to track discussions and follow the flow of communication without scrolling through dozens of individual messages. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Conversation View in Outlook, making your email management much more efficient and organized. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.